So hello to everyone from around the world. Our goal is enhancing Sinhala NLP. So our team consists of all these 7 members who we all coordinated via Discord to tackle a significant challenge in Sinhala NLP. So with a population of 22 million and a digital literacy rate of 64%, with approximately around 72% speaking Sinhala as their primary language, Sri Lanka is the pearl of the Indian Ocean. So this just shows you the importance of enhancing the NLP capabilities for the Sinhala language. So next slide, please. Right. So given the limited infrastructure around Sinhala, we decided to address the problem from 3 different angles, working entirely from scratch. So the scarcity of instruction fine-tuning data, absence of robust evaluation benchmarks for MMLU, and local context were some of our main challenges. So currently only a few open source LLMs support Sinhala, including Aya 101 and Llama 3.1. Next slide, please. All right. So to address the limited instruction fine-tuning data, we translated the FLAN dataset. So after a thorough literature review, we focused on translating the most valuable subsets. So the dataset was so large, so we selected equal portions from each subset, skipping the tasks that required extensive manual intervention. So, but despite all these challenges, we were successfully able to achieve 10 million Sinhala entries, which is a great achievement, I believe. So the QR code available in the slide will take you to a detailed analysis of the dataset. Next slide, please, Madeline. All right. Okay. So we used Google Translator via Deep Translator and Google Cloud SDK for the translation process. We also developed scripts to manage the text length limits, ensuring accurate translation. So after completing the translation, we validated the results to ensure the continuity. So you can access the scripts as well by going into our QR there. So I won't go too detailed into the diagram available in the slide. Yes, next slide, please. Right. So we explored several open LLMs that had the exposure to Sinhala during the pre-training process. So after evaluating MT0, Gemma, Gemma 2, and Llama 3.1, we chose Gemma 2 9B for the fine-tuning. So based on the guidance we received from Mazia, we fine-tuned a 1 million subset of the translated FLAN dataset. Next slide, please. Yes. So to create an evaluation benchmark, we translated the MMLU questions and made a data set of Sri Lankan exams on the following domain criteria you can see in the pie chart there. So as you can see, general knowledge, which is the leading percentage. So the number of subjects we covered were 14 as of right now. And as you can see, we selected MCQ type questions with focusing into MCQs without diagrams and questions that do not depend on each other. So this was done for evaluating our model's performance. So you can see the question and answer format there as well. Yes, next slide, please. Right. So these are the scores for Llama 3.1 and Aya 101 for the 57 subjects that are there. So as you can see, the overall score of Aya 101 is quite higher than Llama 3.1. So unfortunately, due to a technical difficulty, we couldn't evaluate our Sinhala Gemma model because the evaluation harness does not support Keras models. However, we plan to resolve this soon within the coming weeks, hopefully next week, and provide a comprehensive evaluation for our model. Yes, next slide, please. Right. So this is our project timeline throughout this past 6 weeks. So our participation in Expedition Aya was just the beginning. So 6 weeks is only the first iteration of our project, and we will refine our models, enhance benchmarks, and continue to advance Sinhala NLP. Yes, next slide, please. All right. So to conclude, our project lays the groundwork for enhancing Sinhala NLP. So we plan to release our datasets, models, and benchmarks publicly by November of this year. And additionally, we aim to publish a research paper to detail our findings. And we hope that the head start we got during these past 6 weeks will lead us to some more effective contributions in the future. Yeah, let's go to the last slide. Yes, so thank you so much for your time, and a huge shout out to the C4AI team for helping us out within these past 6 weeks. And we look forward to contributing further to the field of Sinhala NLP. Thank you so much.